Welcome again, people, to the next day. Like and share and subscribe. So, we get into the story now. A policeman was shot and injured by a gunman on Waltham Park Road in St. Andrews on Saturday. Reports are about 10:35 a.m. A group of persons was at a funeral when gunshots were heard. A team of law enforcers is said to have responded to the incident, and there was a confrontation with a man who was reported armed with a gun. Reports are that the policeman was shot and injured during the confrontation. The vehicle that the policeman and his colleagues were traveling in was also damaged by the gunshot. Sources have reported that the policeman sustained a wound to his side of his face. It is not clear if the man who had the firearm was apprehended. Reports are saying that the policeman was taken to the hospital where he has been admitted for treatment. Why people, may I tell you, I just hear bad news are going in our country. I just one day just hope one day say everything might get better, but we know say that now I'm still no cause it always go have bad, it always go have good, and I just say things said, it not gonna change. Anyways still. Thanks again for tuning in, like and share and subscribe. Kinda happy for the support. No kinda, I'm happy for the support. Thanks again.